If you're a homeowner staring at an aging roof, you've probably wondered, is tile roof replacement in Tucson, Arizona really worth it? In our desert climate, your roofing choice matters more than in most places. Tile is built for the Arizona weather. Intense sun, big temperature swings, and those powerful monsoon storms that roll through every year. Unlike many lighter materials, tile stands up to harsh UV exposure and high winds when it's installed correctly. The tiles themselves are incredibly durable, and when they're paired with premium underlayment and precise flashing, you get a roofing system that can protect your home for decades instead of for just a few seasons. Tile can also help with comfort and energy use. Its shape and mass create natural air gaps that slow heat before it reaches your attic. Combine that with the right color, upgraded underlayment, and proper ventilation, and your home can feel more comfortable while your air conditioner doesn't have to work quite as hard. It's true that the upfront cost of tile roof replacement in Pima County is higher than some alternatives. But when you spread that investment out over the life of the roof and compare it to repeated repairs or an early replacement, tile often comes out ahead in both performance and peace of mind. If you're considering tile roof replacement in Tucson, Arizona, and want clear options, schedule a roof inspection with Golden Roofing and find out what a well-built tile system can do for your home.